I wanted to connect this to Supabase because we were talking about this. This is a user backend. Now, since I've used this before, I already have made an account with Supabase. When you go to this the first time, which the Lovable app will prompt you in the chat, you'll have to create um, an account with Supabase. And so I have done that already. So I really just need to connect it to a project. See, I've already created that. But see, that was the one that I worked on earlier that I was talking about, the hummingbird nectar. Yeah, that took so much time creating. I had connected everything, but we're going to give this, honestly, I'm just going to connect it to that one. But normally, okay, well, we are teaching. Let's create. Like I would create a project. Okay, so here, and bring you to this tab. Okay, so um to create a new project, since we're learning, I was going to think about just connecting it to the other one, but I don't want to. So we will try to come up with a name. This was Wonderlust. I like the name Wonder, and it helps me keep track of what I'm building. Uh, their Lux. That was it, right? Wonderlux. Um. Okay, and so then you would have to come up with a password. Okay, so there's my password, and then I create a new project. Okay, so now that I've created a new project, let's do that now. Um, so I've created a new project. Now let me go back and connect it. Let me share this tab again so you can see. So now we're back. We're going to connect it to that one. So we're connected to Wonderlust. Now that project is connected. So now we can add any emails or different things like that. See? So we're basically connected. Okay. So take that off. Get out of there. So now it's connected to the back end of everything. So let's see if we can. Nope. I'm gonna see if I can sign up for an email. Um, okay, but it is working. See, it told you to subscribe with another email because okay, so welcome to Wonderlux. Thank you for joining our exclusive travel community. Check your inbox for a special offer. Let's see if I can go to Supabase. Let's see if it took that. No, sometimes I think you have to like build your, yeah, I might have to build that. Okay, we'll come back to that. But you're able to put that in there. Um, and you can start to customize and add different things on here and change what you want. You can change different aspects of it. And like I said, you're using credit. So now I'm down to 19.5. Okay. So I had 23 before. Oh, and like I said, you use your credits as you go through on this side, adding different things, making new suggestions, changing things. So you want to kind of make sure that you have enough credits to build. I made 3 different sites today. So I've kind of used quite a few. Today trying to complete this video, but the main thing is that this is an option that is available for you. Let me go back to, and it's that simple. You just tell it what you want to build, and it starts to build for you, and then you just play around with it and see how you like it. Let me take you back to some of the other things. Like, see, so different. Um, the hummingbird nectar site that I created, e-commerce. Um, this was generated by Lovable. Name, everything. Everything on here was generated by Lovable. I did not change very much at all. It was really trying to get the buttons to work. Because when I was talking about how I had to work that out on before, this is what I had to do. Is kind of make sure that I can get the buttons to work for it to go completely through the whole process. This one gave me I wanted something to talk about the biology, give information and details about hummingbirds. All of this information it pulled from online and put it on here for me. Make a difference today. Start feeding hummingbirds. It takes you back to the product. Like, don't you want to help? And so I absolutely love Lovable. This is connected to Supabase. Um, that was the nectar one that I had. I want to show you where it said it was connected. But then I can add on. I did a subscription on here. I can add it. I can add Stripe to the back end. I can add my Stripe account to the back end. Just okay, yeah, that was in the part about Superbase. Um, but just a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful tool for a small business owner. I know this recording is getting a little lengthy. Um, it was already kind of like that because I had to mesh 2 different videos into one for this. But like I said, I love Lovable. I will maybe we'll come back and we'll try to fix some other things on that website. Because I was just coming off the top of my dome for that one. Um, so I don't want to use too many of my credits on it because it's not really something that I'm looking to do. I would love to build a travel itinerary site or I don't have any puppy toys, which was the site that I built before, which I was doing with the recording, first half of this recording. I want to show you what I asked them to build. Create a puppy toy e-commerce site. Make it friendly, bright, and cartoonish. Provide product pages and a checkout chart page. Have a subscription for monthly toys. Give info on how to use toys and keep puppies active and learning. This is what it gave me. I love this so much. It talks about different ages, different types. It gave me ideas of toys to go look for. A rainbow rope tug toy. I think I actually have this here. But it was just giving you ideas. Like you would put your own information in. You would have to add your own product information, which was connected to Supabase, which will give you the tables to create that. But this is how detailed Lovable goes to build your site. And then I asked for the subscriptions. I didn't even give them price range. They gave me wonderful prices, $20 a month. You get a new toy. You get a new toy, you get 2 new toys, some training treats, and then you get a little bit of education Sounds really cool. I think this would be so so great. And then it gave you the ages. So this is like 8 to 6 weeks, 4 to 12 months, a growing pup, an active dog. Like now this pup is a year, what you should do. And then it talks about how the subscription work. You could join the community. And down at the bottom, it gave you tips on training your dog using the toys. Like the fetch training basics. Love this. 10 minutes, a beginner, 12 plus weeks. What's the benefits? Recall training, bonding time, physical exercise, start in a small enclosed area. Use toy your puppy is excited about. Reward with treats when it bring it back. Keep sections short and positive. Oh my God, just so much information that it gave that Lovable just went and found just because I put that prompt in. Okay. So, like I said, this is a wonderful tool for the small business owner. This is a great tool for a marketing agency, a marketing agent, any kind of digital creator. Um, because it's going to be used for so many different things. Like if you wanted to do, you wanted to introduce any kind of product, any kind of SaaS, you can build your website, your app right here on Lovable. There are other sites that are doing it. Canva is even kind of jumping into the game to where you can build your own app on Canva, which we will try on this channel one day. Uh, but I have to try it out because Canva to me is certain types of things, certain things that you do on Canva. So I would really have to try it out and see how it worked, and if it even kind of measured up to Lovable. Um, a lot of people use Lovable for in the AI automation industry. A lot of people use it as the front end for any kind of AI automation that they have built on the back end. Just for it to have like a user interface. Um, but it is a magnificent tool. It is not the only site like it, but it is the first one I've come across and one that I really, really love. So much so that I have a affiliate with them. This is a little bit of back end on the affiliate site. Well, maybe I don't want to show all that. Okay. Yeah. Can I show all that? All right. Yeah, we can do that. Um, Let me show you this. I am an affiliate. If you are out there and I'm going to link this into the bio of this video so that you can come on over. Um, But that would be you signing up for the payment, the actual plans. I have not signed up for the plan. I am on the free version, but this is my affiliate. Um, if, like I said, if you're a marketing agency, you might as well go ahead and get the plan. If you are a website builder or do any of those type of things, or if you're a serial entrepreneur and you just create business for no reason, like somebody I might know, I would suggest signing up for a better plan so that you can get more done. Because like I said, it is a great tool. I really do like it. And I'm just so excited that this is so simple because building the website, I'm telling you guys, 20 years ago, I'll just say 20. Yeah, let's say 20. Yeah, we'll just say 20. 20 years ago, building the website, we ain't even talking about apps. Trying to build an app, that that wasn't even something that marketers thought about. That was totally IT job. But creating a website was so much harder, so much harder. So now that I could just put in even vague ideas and get wonderful results like this is totally mind blowing. And you can publish it. You can publish it to the Lovable app site. that they have, or you can get a custom domain. You can set it up with a custom domain. The first app no, I don't I did a language tutor app. Um, and so I created a custom domain for that. But most of them you could, you have a site that you can preview. Let's see, take you to the preview site. So it's a little bit different. And then they have the edit with Lovable, which you can um kind of get back to it. But there's the site. There's the site. Oh, and this is what you can build. This is what you can build. Okay. You can connect your social media accounts to it. Um, any of these features you want to build out. Let me show you. I don't want to do that. I guess I can't. I want to show you how to change something really small on it. Okay, so let's get out the publishing part. Okay, so down here, because I think I said I wanted to show you, there is a edit little button down here that you can change little bitty things. Not too drastic on it. But you can kind of pinpoint one area versus trying to change everything. Like if you wanted to change the color for this, or wanted to check out the customize, you can change different things like that. I'm going to take this down so we can change the address. Can I change it? Yep, I can. Okay, so you can type it in. I can change any of the spacing. I can change the style, the color. Okay. Let's um quick change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Um, travel hut. I don't know. Travel hut street. It changes it. It's just a small edit. Give it a second. But different things that you can do to fix it, to change it. I love the number 123 Lux. Love it. Um, but it can help you build your site. So cool, you guys. This is absolutely amazing. I love it. Um, and I'll probably come back and do another tutorial with Lovable. The more I'm learning about it, the more cool things I can create. I might just come back and do something else. Because I would love to get more and more into the prototype. Um, that I saw some of the different examples at the bottom. It's just and trying to maybe create a game, or a game app. I wonder how that will work on here, something like here. Um, but trying different things, being creative. Um, and then it even says like remix. I wonder, is there someone coming in and kind of changing your app from an outside? I would love to see how to do that. Hunger dashboard. Oh, and it's in a different language. Uh, okay, you know that. I can't do that. LabNet visualizer. Interesting. But there are so many cool things out there that, so many different things to try and learn. I think that something like this would be a wonderful um tool for people. And so I'm really excited to see what becomes of it and how people will use it. Oh, how cool. Nearby doctors, AI health advisor report. How about eyes? That looks so weird. I like the little 3D diagram. Okay. Gut health, different things about your stomach. See, so many, so many ideas that are out there. I would love to kind of see how this goes. So yeah, like I said, this is Jackie Brown once again on, and you have joined me on Brown in AI. Um, and I thank you so very much for sticking to the end. I hope you will have a wonderful day. If you like this content or if you're interested in seeing how AI is reshaping the marketing field and the small business community, please join me on future videos where I will test products out for you, test those features and kind of see what's out there, what's good, bad, and ugly, so that you can become more efficient, become more productive, and just to help you fulfill your purpose. So, once again, have a wonderful day. Mwah. Love you all, and I will see you next time.